Thai green curry is loved all over the world. It's flavorful, it's aromatic, it's also versatile. Many enjoy it with chicken, beef, or prawns, but you can easily make it vegetarian. This recipe will show you how. Here's what you'll need to make this delicious curry. Green curry paste, 2 tablespoons. Coconut milk, 400 milliliters. Vegetables, your choice of aubergine, broccoli, bamboo shoots, peppers, 300 grams. Thai basil, a handful. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon. Let's start cooking. Heat the oil. Use a wok or a large pan. Add the green curry paste. Fry for 1 minute until fragrant. Pour in half the coconut milk. Stir well. Let it simmer for a few minutes. Add your vegetables. Stir and cook until they soften. Pour in the rest of the coconut milk. Add the sugar and soy sauce. Simmer for 5 more minutes. Stir occasionally. Add the Thai basil leaves. Stir and serve. This recipe is easy to follow. You can use whatever vegetables you have. This makes it a great choice for a quick and healthy meal. No meat is needed for a tasty Thai green curry. Enjoy with steamed jasmine rice.